What's up? How's it going, everyone? Got 3 people in here, 6 people. How's it going? Sub T13. It's been going for 3 years. Stalled. I don't know what that means. Sup, Alex? Yeah, PNG's moving finally. It's about time, huh? PNG. I'm gonna try to wait for some more people to come in here. Why is that highlighted? That's new. What's up, John? How's it going? He says thanks for the vids. I appreciate that. I do what I can. What's up, Jared? You sold virtual at 55. What is that? Yeah, looking at these crypto bubbles here. If we look on the year on the crypto bubbles, man, we've been bullish all year. It seems like OM, I don't even know what this is, but this did 147x all year. Bonk did a 12x. Pepe's done almost a 20x. Jeez. You sold Spectral at 14 and it's going higher. What's up, Cameron? Bags packed, ready for the ride 2025. That's how to do it. Yeah, my bags aren't packed yet, but I'm going to get there. I want to feel like you guys. Bags are packed and ready to go. You guys see XRP still running? XRP is about to flip Solana for market cap. Where is my deck screener? Oh no, there we go. Yeah, Solana or XRP is still pushing. It's at 175 now. If it breaks this yellow line, breaks this previous high back here, then this thing's really good to go. Damn, I can't believe that. But yeah, what is Spectral? Have we ever looked at that? What's the ticker for that? Spectral. Yeah, we haven't even looked at that. This thing? Yeah, you should have had some TA on it, I guess, huh? You never asked for it. Yeah, this one broke the previous high. This thing's in real good shape. It's curling up. Now she's starting to go vertical. Dang, that's nice. But you got out. Yeah, if it stays over 1580, another 40% move almost to 22. Sub GE. Yeah. We're going to have everyone coming in here asking for PNG today because it's over. She's breaking out. Proppy looks good. Looks like a good play. You talking about the original Proppy? Let me see. Where's my... There we go. Forta had a nice pump today. Let's switch this. Yeah, how you guys doing today? I didn't even realize it was Black Friday today. That didn't even cross my mind. Proppy. Yeah, Proppy doesn't look bad here. Consolidating, it looks like in a triangle pattern, so it's over the 618. Yeah, it's probably going to spike up soon. Proppy. Thoughts on Vara, says John. Vara, until Vara gets over 3 pennies, I can't be bullish on it. It needs to prove that it can put in a bottom. Yeah, we looked at it. We pretty much look at it every day, I think. But if you want to go low to the high and go to a smaller time frame, we're just going to keep it here, though. Weekly candles. You're below the 382, 236, so it's not short-term bullish here. It's over the 0.5 at 24. But until it gets over the 236 here, confirming to me that this is the bottom, you know, we'll see what happens with it. But what we do have on the chart for Vara 786 retracement, 107 million market cap, 6.5x, 475 million market cap, 75 pennies. It would be a decent 29x almost, but you have to take into account the market cap. But we're not going to worry with it until it gets over this, because I want that to be the bottom, but we're going to have to wait and see. That's a dumb move for you. Yeah, we don't win them all. GE says you called that one. H-bar says Joe. Wait, H-bar. Hold on. Joe says H-bar. I said that backwards. Yeah, I would imagine that XRP and XLM are still running, so the big dogs like H-bar and Dogecoin, they may continue to run here. Where's H-bar? H-bar. Yeah, H-bar looks good here. We all should have just bought H-bar, XRP, XLM. But yeah, H-bar, it's over the 0.5. Once it breaks this wick high here, you're in real good shape at that point. But you're over the 0.5 at 14. It's bullish. There's really nothing I can draw. As long as you're over 14, it's still bullish. It's moved up since the last time we looked at it. Price to beat is in pretty much 20 cents. And once you get over 20 cents, this move down and sideways is officially over 20. And then you're in real good shape to continue higher. And then H-bar, the target we have, 123, 1272, 46 billion market cap at about a 7x. And if it goes higher, you know, congratulations. But these older coins, we're looking for anywhere from 5 to 10x's. We got Solon for $6.99. I appreciate that. GST, PNG, and Spell Token, please. What's up, Flip Coins? What's up, Het? How's it going? Yeah, I just did an update on PNG and Spell on the channel today, but we will go look at it since you paid me. What'd you say? PNG, Spell, and GST. Let's see here. Let's go over here. But yeah, there's really nothing to say on PNG except as long as you're over 30 with the nice breakout there, it looks good. This candle, even though it's turning into a wick, it should hold and hold over 30. I mean, after all this time, it finally got a nice move out. So kind of like it did back here where it started to wick out and then it just went to the moon. I mean, we'll see what happens. This is a weekly candle here. Maybe everyone's going to pile into PNG now that it's bullish. But yeah, you're over the 382, you're over the 1414 at 30. Once you break 36.8 here, get a close, and then the 618 at 449, pretty much 45. That's going to confirm this move down and sideways is officially over. And then you have the larger 618 at 48. Macro-wise, the downwards move is over, which there's not really a downwards move because it's been going up since October, but not a bad spot to be in. I hope it pumps to the moon for you guys. But PNG, if it continues to be bullish out of this pattern, which these are weekly candles, so you know, it may take a couple of giant green candles to accomplish all this, but you need to move up 39%, get over the 618 there, and then pretty much 50%, and then we'll see where this thing can end up going. 83% move to 59. But the thing we have on here is the measured move. But if we go by the smaller fib here, maybe you hit the 1272 new high off of this previous high, which would still be a decent move, a 4x up to 134. 134, and then where's our measured move? Then the measured move potentially up to the 2272 at 220, like it did last time, and last time it went to the moon every time. It seems to be when PNG turns bullish, it's like really bullish, but we'll see what happens. AI's had a move, but it kind of fizzled out, and they have the same exact chart exactly. Yeah, and GST here woke up from the bottom. It moved over our first resistance level here, held our green support box, and she's moving. Really, the only thing we can do here is say once you get over the 236 at 442 there, the macro bottom is in, and you can see the short-term bottom is in over 18.7, bullish over 2.7. But yeah, GST looks good here too. I missed this one also. Then if you're going to hold GST for the bull market, a couple of good targets here. If it does just a 0.5 retracement, that's a 12.5, almost a 13x to 28. 618 retracement up to 1.4 billion market cap is almost a 30x to 65, and then a moonshot would be the 786 here. 100x. Can you imagine if GST did a 100x 786 retracement to $2? And then what was the other one? Spell. Yeah, I just did an update on Spell and PNG. Spell's in a real good spot here. Off of the bottom formation we were watching, wanted to buy in so bad down here. But it moved, it got over the trend, it's stuck right at the 236, so the price to beat is 9.6 here. Let me zoom this in a little bit so you guys can see. You must have been paying attention though. $2 a coin. He pulled up 3 coins for $6, $7. Yeah, 618 here. To confirm this move is over, you got to get over 1001 over the 236001, and then you're good. But yeah, Spell's another one I like chart wise, and just simply the targets it has here. I think it's going to hit a penny. So my target, if I had Spell, I would hold to a penny. $1.5 billion market cap, 11x from today, and that's where I would get out. Another good target is 005, 5.5x, and then your moonshot is 100x again, 14 billion market cap to 9.5 pennies. That's why it's a moonshot though. I don't think it's going to do 100x. Yeah, I appreciate the 7. PNG hanging out though, been running a bit. What's up, Veronica? Yeah, I think it'll hold 30 GE. I mean, after all this time, it finally moved out of it. If it doesn't, then, you know, we'll update it and see what's happening with it. But, you know, a lot of people are going to be upset if it doesn't hold 30. Yeah, I remember you said that. You said, watch today, PNG's going to break out. And there it goes. Alex called it. What's up, Sonny Boy? $6. I appreciate that. R Trade and IMO and McCade. Appreciate you. Damn, he's going to make me work. R Trade. I don't know. We do not have a chart for that. I don't know what that is. R Trade. So this is going to take a minute. R Trade. Gate.io. IMO. What is IMO? Yeah, I might expect new coins to come in here. IMO. Is it this one? The IMO Monster? I am Monster AI? because there's a CoinEx chart. I don't know if that's what you're talking about. McCade. A bunch of Randino coins coming in. McCade. All right, we'll just start here. Let me take off that. Yeah, we're gonna have to pull this up. McCade. $22 million market cap. 88% of the tokens in circulation, not bad. Yeah, we're gonna have to start charging more for coins we don't have charts for. This is gonna take a minute. I appreciate it though. High to the low, you're over the 382, hit the 618, got stuck, pulled back. So you're over 11 here. Not a bad looking chart, higher highs and higher lows. McCade. Yeah, let's see here. McCade to 9 pennies. Damn. All right, so the new high on this one would give you $158 million market cap from the current supply and a 7.5x. But right now it is bullish over the 382. Low to the high, yeah, it's over the double 382. So it's short term and long term bullish here. Price to beat is 14.815. But that's really it. I don't really see any patterns or anything on there. But from where it is right now, 22 million market cap with a lot of the coins out, has room to run. I don't know your target for this one. 20 cents would give you about a 17x. R trade, let me put that on the screen. This is called Youthverse. That is better than Mana and Sandbox. Okay, Epic Games stole their patent. They're a metaverse. Okay. What's up, Eric? What's up, Patrick? What's up, Coach? Yeah, you guys are gonna have to give me just a moment. We're doing these 3 coins for this man. All right, so looking at this one, hopefully that helped a little bit. What was the other one? R trade, another bullish looking chart, just hit a new high. Zoom this thing in a little bit. As quick as I can do this, high to the low. It's over the 618, so the confirmed move down and sideways is over 3.1. Price to beat is 5.3. Where's this thing going to end up going? If it goes to a new high where it is right now, about a 6.5x to 24. What is it called? ATR R trade. 51 million market cap. Oh, nice. All the coins are out. Bullish looking chart. So this one here, so from a 50 million market cap to a 314 million market cap would take you to the new high on this one. Never heard of this one. Yeah, what is the IMO? I don't think you answered me about the IMO. Let's see here. He says we can come back to it. No, we got it. I don't mind building the charts. It just takes a lot of time on the stream. But when we get the charts built up, we can, you know, get them better built up at some point in the future and just get an idea of what's going on with them. IMO. Yeah, someone tell me what IMO is. Is this it down here? iMonster AI? Or is it this wrapped Ethereum coin up here? There's no chart for this thing. If it's not this bottom one, then I don't know what it is. Nah, I didn't get no more Jasmine yet. Although someone did send me 50 bucks on Cash App. I don't know who it was. I know the name, but I'm not going to say it. But I appreciate that. Whoever that was, I appreciate that a lot. Just going to try to leave the Cash App money there. Let it build up a little bit. We got ISTA for 2. I appreciate that. Can you check Drift? Longed at 133. Drift. Yeah, Drift. Drift recently had a nice move. You longed at 133. Let's see here. Yeah, it's above the 618 here at 139. So it's sitting over the 618, 1618 rather. It's in a good spot right now. As long as you're over that, you're bullish over the 382. You just bounced perfectly on it. 1414, 382. Now the 618. Next stop up is 167. It doesn't look bad here. I would say that. We'll go out to the larger time frames. You could kind of argue there's a triangle pattern here, but I don't really like that. But the bottom's curled up. So if you can get up here and break through 167, and then this thing's really bullish at that point, and it'll continue to push. But the only other thing I can do, let's go high, low. Let's see where you're at in that respect. You're above the 236, confirming the bottom is in. Once you get over 151, you're bullish here. So yeah, 139.5 and the 151, this thing's bullish to push higher. And like I said, once you break this high, break over the 0.5236, you're good to go. So you could have a good entry here. And then the other thing you see on the chart, of course, is the large W double bottom with a higher low pattern. That's always bullish for a push higher. So yeah, I would say not a bad position. I appreciate the 2. Treehouse says flow. Moonwell looks ready to go. Yeah, well, still holding up, ain't it? I don't know. Bitcoin's starting to push up a little bit. XRP's going to the moon right now. Are we starting? We're gonna start going again. We're gonna have a bullish weekend. Watch. Yeah, well held the 618 over the 236. We said the same thing yesterday. So, well, it's right over the 382 also at 6.9. So yeah, she is short-term bullish right now. Once you get over 83, it's off to the races, back up to this, hopefully the 786 there. Flow. When's the last time we looked at flow? Oh, flow's going to the moon. Yeah, I went through my whole list today, and I was trying to find coins with this that have not moved yet. And every time we look at this here, they break out. Everything, there's even crap coins that should have no reason to pump, in my opinion at least. And every time you saw this, they do this, just like Flow's doing here. So I went and made a little list here. We'll go look at it in a little bit when we have time. I made a little list of all the coins that are still in this pattern on the bottom that have not moved. So maybe it'd be some good plays for you guys. Not financial advice, of course. But yeah, Flow here, simply getting stuck at the 236. That's the resistance it needs to get over. 108. Price prediction for Flow. Yeah, right at the 618 at $1. So you have to get over $1 to confirm this move down is over. And then 108 to be macro bottom in, but then you said, how high can it go? What do we have on here? We have nothing on Flow. That's unfortunate. Sorry, Flow's going to 0. Flow. I know Flow's going to be a good play. Let me see here. I have no idea what the market cap or anything is on Flow. Flow. Oh, $1.5 billion market cap. All the coins are in circulation. That is bullish. So if Flow can hit the 786 at 1160. Let me see. What's the circulating? Almost an $18 billion market cap from a 1.5. That's very possible. So Flow's good for an 11.5, 12x here. And if you think it's going to hit an high and hit 94 bucks, that's probably too high because that's a 95x. So yeah, I like that target here for Flow. We got ISTA for 2 again. What about BNB since all the dinosaur coins are running? I haven't looked at BNB in forever. What's up, SJD? GFI stuck in the mud, he says. What's up, Crazy Eye? Yeah, we'll look at BNB. What is UTHX? UTHX. You're always in here with the coins I've never heard of. Is that a meme coin? Because nothing pops up on here. Unless I'm reading that wrong. UTHX. Yeah, you're gonna have to clarify because that doesn't pop up. Yeah, see, we don't even have a chart for BNB. BNB, I guess we'll use the crypto trading view chart. It's got a very bullish looking chart. BNB's been going to the moon forever. So BNB from 2021. Yeah, it looks like it's getting stuck right at the high every time. So once you break through this $691, $700 range, which it could have very well just double topped, 50% move up to 988. But how high can BNB go? I have no idea. It's a dinosaur coin with probably, it's in the top 5, ain't it? Personally, these top coins that have tons of market cap, I really wouldn't touch them. These are those 3 to 4 to 5 to 10x coins. It's got a $95 billion market cap. I'm gonna have to go check something out. I hear someone talking, but there's no one here. What is the target? Where is BNB going? Someone answer me. We could speed this along. This will run with the new moon in December. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, you still didn't answer me. UTHE. Yeah, that's gonna have to be on deck screener. Alright, but we can kind of speculate though. BNB, she's probably gonna do like a 3x, 2x. So $1,500, 2.5x. Yeah, we'll go look at that on deck screener in just a moment. Assemble, ASM. You guys just need to say the ticker. Don't say all the other stuff because it just confuses everyone, or me at least. But yeah, this is one of the ones we were looking at in the pattern, and she's moving over the 382 in the pattern. You said a 6x. What you mean by that? It'll have a nice run if you bought in the bear market, yeah. Yeah, 6.5x from the high. I don't know if that's what you mean. This one to the new high at 69 to 70 cents, 1 billion market cap is going to give you an 18x. But it looks good right now. Ski on base. It's the ghost of Christmas. It's the ghost of Crypto Pass speaking. What's up, Shud? All right, let me go over to deck screener real quick. We got 2 deck screener requests. Deck screener. Let's see here. Yeah, someone was asking for Arrow Bud. If you're in the chat, it's going to the moon. Hopefully you're taking profit. It's stuck at resistance at 16 here. All right, let's see if we can find this UTH nonsense. UTH. Let's see here. UTHER verse. On Solana, 2 months old. This token is mintable. That's not a good sign. This the right one? UTA. Let me make sure I covered the super chats. But yeah, BNB is dinosaur coin, but it's not doing anything. It's still getting stuck. Let's see here. We'll just go from the recent. If this is it, not a horrible looking chart. It does keep making lower lows, so that's not encouraging. It's below the 236 at 40. Got stuck at the 382. So bullish over 48. You have to get over 40 to confirm the bottom. Not a bad looking wick though, so if you get over these levels here, you're good to go. Know nothing about it, but it already has a warning on here. 10 million market cap, 2,800 holders. UTHX to the moon is going to take you potentially, let's see what kind of multiplier we get here. About a 4x to 147. Ski on base. Yeah, I think we looked at that one before. Oh yeah, she's moving. No, it finally broke over the previous high. If this could stay a candle and not a wick, then you're good to go. I believe we put this here to spawn you in a candle. Or whoever asked for it. But it doesn't look bad. There's really nothing else to say on it. It's bullish right now. It's over the previous high. Bounced off of the low to the high 236, and she's moving again. So as long as you're over 3.8, 13.4 is your next stop for another 240% move. So 3.5x is loading. And you'll know that's the case. Once you break this high back here, then you're good to go. But yeah, ski's not a bad pick, I guess, if you got in early. Flow will hit $11 to $30. What did we just say? I don't even remember. Yeah, I like that's not, yeah. I like the $11 range for an 11x. That's where I would get out. You think it hits $15? Let's see. Let's see what kind of greed you got going on. He says $15. Well, $8 would be a 20x. So you're looking for a 40x play, huh? I hope you get it. I have no idea what this coin is. But yeah, flow, if flow's going to come up and hit the previous high, maybe a lower high, higher high. Maybe it hits a slightly higher high. You hit about $30. That would be a 30x, 31x from today. But the reasonable fair price, I would say, is this. Sub D crypto. NCT for PJ, he says. Yeah, what is Polyswarm doing? Probably still in the same spot. Yeah, it pumped up, it got stuck at resistance, at the trend, and it's just kind of sitting over the 382 now. It has to push through 3.3 to get the momentum going back, break this heavy resistance here. And then Polyswarm, 46, 700 or 867 million market cap, potentially almost an 18x. But there's no telling where these things are going to end up going. Even though we can be bullish as we want on the project for Polyswarm, but people have to know about it. People have to want to buy it, which it is on Coinbase. That's why we do the charts. But yeah, new high on Polyswarm. Yeah, we're not doing too bad today. What's up, Crypto Homes? Bags are pumping today, pamping today. Let's see here. Did I miss anyone coming in here? Coach Patrick, what's up, Patrick? Welcome back. Eric says CRV. CRV curve. Yeah, it seems like everything's pumping now. There's only a few select that are still down in the bottom, which we can go over those here in a minute. There's some coins that are still in this formation down here waiting to go. Yeah, curve has got the bottom put in. It's heading to the 382. 7.4 and a half. High to the low. Yeah, good shape. It's over the 618, confirming this move down and over is over with. 63 and then 74 and then you're macro bullish. But yeah, everything seems to be running. 6x to $3. New high on Curve Dow, if you think that's possible. 24 billion market cap. Pretty much $20 is a 36.5x. But yeah, she's in good shape right now. Over the 618 on that smaller. think it can reach 15? I have no idea. It's a gamble play. It already has one warning on the screen. Token is mintable. Not every coin you find is going to do, 40, 50, 60, 100 X's. But you shouldn't worry if you only put like $100 or $50 in it. Just set it and see what happens. But I know you guys can't see this. Wow. Yeah, this thing's a rug pull and a half. Oh man. Oh, we got 40 people in here. A person per minute coming in. How you guys doing? What's up, Alicia? NRN. I've never heard of that one. Caspa called up for a breakout. Yeah, Caspa looks good to keep going. But yeah, let me just show you this for T13. You can also do it on you can go on Soul Scan, you can do it on Rug Checker. Hold on. Someone trying to scam me already. Jeez. Said, do I want to accept an airdrop? But yeah, you see this? I just put the address into the Rug Checker. Just read all this. Danger. Mint authority still enabled. Large amount of LP unlocked. 100% is unlocked. High holders. Yeah, I wouldn't touch this thing. The top wallets have 43% of the coins. Let's see here. Gilberto, how's it going? Life of Andre, welcome back. ACH and Jasmine for 2. I appreciate that. 2 for the price of 1, he says. We're gonna have to put that in writing somewhere. Yeah, ACH looks good here. She's over the 3-2. I've been saying this. There's going to be heavy resistance when you get to the 0.5 at 4-1, the previous trend, so it's going to get stuck up here and pull back. But it is bullish over 2.7. But once you manage to get over 4, get over the trend there, you're in real good shape at that point. And then once you get over 6.3, it's time to go up. But does not look bad right now. Curled up off the formation we like. Over the 0.5, over the 382, so it's short-term bullish, long-term bullish. And then where's it possibly going? It's either going to hit the 786 retracement and be a dud. 11, maybe it hits 12 cents and you get a 3.5x. Maybe it comes up to around 20 cents and you get a lower high, which would be disappointing in my opinion on ACH, and you get about a 7x. But my target, I think ACH is going to a 4.8 billion market cap and hitting 60 cents, 62 and a 20x. That's been my prediction on ACH for a long time now. And then Jasmine. Good old Jasmine. Yeah, I got 2,000 Jasmine. Yeah, Jasmine's still in the same spot. It's not doing anything. It needs to break over 3 pennies to run up to 5, in my opinion. It's over the 0.5 at 2.6, but the 2.9 here, the 3 pennies is the high to the low, 618. So this move down is officially over. We broke out, we back tested, and we're moving up. It looks good right now. The big price to beat is 3. And I think once it breaks over 3, 5 is in the works. We'll have a nice spike up, hopefully 84%. And then finally bullish over the macro 3-2 here on Jasmy. But yeah, she held up here, broke the downtrend. I just need to increase my Jasmy bag so when it hits $1 I can sell my 50,000 Jasmy at least. But most people think 30-35 cents or so for Jasmy. So only a 11.5x left in the tank for the bull run for Jasmy. I find that hard to believe. After all this time of Jasmy holders, they finally got all the coins out. There's a very large cup and handle pattern being formed here, which is probably going to send the price up here. But I refuse to accept that. Jasmy is going to hit my 786 $50 billion market cap, and now it's only a 39x. Used to be a lot better. But I appreciate that. Andre for 2 again says, thank you, brother. Excuse me. I appreciate the support, my man. Sold my PNG at 40 to buy Jasmy. Yeah, Shib has been bullish. Farm. No, not CRV. CRV is not a rug pull. I was talking about the other coin. Yeah, since we're on this chart here. Yeah, last time I looked at SHIB. Yeah, HBAR, XRP, XLM, they're all bullish as hell right now. They're moving again. This thing right here is about to break this high here. That it's going to the moon potentially. All we had to do was buy HBAR and XRP. That's sad. Yeah, Shiba's in a bullish pattern here. From one bullish pattern to spike up, now it's consolidating in a triangle pattern here. As long as you're over 2-3 here, SHIB is gearing up to go at some point. It's going to have a nice spike up to get you over the 618 here at 331. But yeah, 20% move. Depends on how high it spikes up. But yeah, SHIB is another one that we look at that it's going to spike up before we know it. And every time we've looked at the patterns or the bottom formations, it's like the next day every time, just like with PNG. Alex called PNG. But it's always, something's always moving. Let's see, what did you say? Farm. Yeah, I think I remember that. They got hacked in the bear market. Let's see here. Is Ondo really going? Yep, she's moving up from the last time we looked at it. And I'm pretty sure we pointed it out. The bullish formation here. Double bottom. Moving up over the 786 at 117. Yeah. Some of these things look like they're about to go vertical. Are we at that point? Alright, you guys got to give me a moment. I got to go see what this noise is. I'm hearing noises in this house and there's no one here. I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. I think it's just neighbors being loud. What were we looking at? Yeah, Ondo Finance looks good here. But yeah, Caspa doesn't look bad. Did an update on it. I mean, everything's going up right now. Not everything. Solana's not doing anything. So is XRP going to flip Solana? It was a nice try, huh? It's over the 786 on the macro, so once it breaks through this yellow line, I don't know, the bull market is in full force. It seems like we're like right there, even though I don't want it to be. So are we about to have a giant pullback? What you guys think about that? Sup, Yosef? SHIB has a proposal for the government. SHIB. Really? Strategic Hub for Innovation Blockchain. Okay. Is that true? Are they trying to copy Doge? What am I looking for? So is PNG pushing, or is it just sitting there? Yeah, someone said GFI earlier. GFI. Yeah, GFI still hasn't pushed through the downtrend yet at 180. Still sitting in the same spot pretty much. It went up a little bit, but someone said math. I remember that. Yeah, math is another good one. Sitting right on the 382 perfectly on all these weekly candles. It broke the downtrend, pumped up, hit the previous trend perfectly, hit the 618 almost, and simply pulled back, and it's just kind of waiting around. So as long as you're over 2.8, you are macro bullish here. And then once you get over the 618 and through this yellow line, once you get over this mess right here, then you're in real good shape on math. The math to a 1.4 billion market cap, 1275 is a 40x. Or a 5x to 160. But I mean, we're already so far up on this thing. What's up, Roberto? Biz. Can you look at well? Yeah, we just looked at well. It looks good. XRP's going for the number 2 spot. Brett is coiling up. Damn it. Alex says my wife tried to send you a super chat. Oh, that's don't worry about it, my man. I appreciate it though. What are we looking at? Oh yeah, he said well. Well, once again, Well's sitting over support. There's really nothing to say on it. It held our support level. It's over the 236 at 6.3. Hit perfectly 618 and it bounced a little bit. Only other thing we can really do on it is go on the tinier time frames. High to the low, as long as you're over 6.9, you are bullish. You're sitting right on the 382. So that may tell you it's going to continue to run here. And then 8.3 will confirm this little short move is over. And maybe that'll push you up to the 786 at 12.6 here. But the overall chart looks good. It doesn't look bad at all. As long as you hold the 618. If you do not, if the market does have a decent pullback, you may do this again to where it comes all the way back down to 2.5. It doesn't have to. But that's why we look at the support levels. Yeah, if it holds up here, it will rip hard. What's up, April? She says H bar. Jake says, are you bullish on DGen still? Yeah. H bar, we just looked at DGen. Yeah, the last time I looked at DGen, it's still holding up. Oh yeah, DGen looks good here. Just came up, got stuck at the 786, pulled back. It's been holding very strongly over 17.8 here. So as long as you hold that, you are good to go. Out of the bull flag pattern we called, you could even say it's in a falling wedge pattern. So it could be more bullish than we think over 17.8 here. It may have another spike up. Another spike to get you over the 786 here. Yeah, DGen looks real good here. So this thing's about to spike up 70-80%. But yeah, the overall chart, this is very bullish. Take profit target. You talking about short term? Or are you talking about long term? We have the two targets here. The new high at 16 is a 8.5x, close to a 9x. $2.7 billion market cap, and then a 4.5 to 26.5. I honestly don't know where DGen's going to end up. 14x to a $4.5 billion market cap. Hold on, let me get the rug checker off. Let me go check because I don't remember a DGen. What's their coin situation? Oh, they have a 328 million market cap with almost 50% of the supply out. Yeah, I think we're going to call it here again. Just like we did back here. DGen's in a bullish pattern. It's holding support. The price is getting squeezed. She's about to pump. We just signed all pile into DGen. Oh, DGen. But yeah, 300 million market cap is what I said. 328. Yeah, I like these targets here. It may go higher than that, but a 4.5 in a bull market for a 14x. If it goes up to 50 cents, about a 28x. Yeah, this thing may hit 50 cents. I don't know what you guys think it's gonna hit. Oh, excuse me, but yeah, DGen looks good right there. Yeah, I had just said it. DGen looks good. What'd you say? 0.6 cents before December? No. before December. That's like 2 days away. I mean, when we were watching it in this pattern here, I remember telling you guys that it's over the 382. It's in a bull flag pattern. This thing's about to pump. It's probably going to pump right up to the 618. And that's exactly what it did on one candle. It got over it. It pulled back. So now it's probably going to spike up over the 786. Can it come up to here? Maybe. I mean, it's not impossible. We'll come on here tomorrow's stream, and you guys will be saying, hey, it's at 6 pennies. He was right. I don't know why I just whistled. But yeah, it's just I keep looking at things. We keep covering things that you guys keep bringing up, or just whatever we're looking at. And it's just everything's starting to go up now. It's just like, give me a break. Can you look at Ort? Yeah, let me look at Brett first. Someone said Brett earlier. Brett curling up. Uh-oh, Brett to the moon. Yeah, everyone piling to Brett. She's about to go. Or he's about to go. Every time I see a strong move up like this and then sideways, not the best looking, I would have to say, because you want to see it curl down a little more, but still, it's making lower highs. Yeah. We're going to call it on Brett, too. Brett's about to go. Brett, Degen, Sheba, Clover, from what I can remember. Yeah, low to the high, you're over the 236 at 15.5 in a bullish pattern. It's time to pump this thing up. Brett's about to head for a new high, 55%, and then all the influencers are going to be freaking out because Brett's going. Yeah, damn, Brett doesn't look bad. Did I miss something? We got Dizzle Knob. Welcome back again. For 2, can you look at CHZ, please? CHZ. Haven't looked at this one in forever. What's that one called? TRB? I think that's on my little list. TRB is about to go too. Damn, we haven't looked at this one in forever. My lord. Alright, we're going to have to take off 5 drawings. TRB, or Chili's. Yeah, not a bad looking chart. But Chili's, if I remember correctly, is an older coin, so 5 to 10x is probably what's in play. $0.50 on this thing. It's over the 236 at 90. Nice curl up, double bottom, higher low. Almost the same formation. Not a bad look. But since I haven't looked at this one in so long, I have no idea where it's at on the market cap wise. Almost $1 billion market cap. All right. All the coins in circulation. All right, all the coins are out. Almost $1 billion market cap on this thing. Damn, I swear there's a ghost in this house. Sounds like somebody is inside the house. All right, so that would give you a $4.6 billion market cap for a 5x. So yeah, that's very possible. So Chili's is good for a 5x here, like almost guaranteed. And then a 23x for 229. So if we can reach $2, $2.30, that's not bad. A 21 million, or excuse me, $21 billion market cap for something that's sitting pretty much at $1 billion in a bull market. But can an older coin like this do a 20x, 22x? That's the big question. I appreciate the two though. Appreciate that. Crash gonna be hitting social media when it breaks. Matt Fury coin should do well. Yeah. Oh yeah, farm. Treehouse needs farm. Hoppy. Why do you call yourself undead? That's just the name of the channel, my man. Just by hearing my voice, what do you guys think my real name is? Haven't seen any new marketing for CHC. Yeah, I actually forgot about it. So, no 20x then? 20x. Let me pull up farm while you guys are thinking about it. Yeah, farm's another older one. Yeah, farm broke the downtrend. Or the uptrend, rather. Same formation, put the bottom in. It's above the 236 here. Low to the high, 618 retracement it held. Now it hit the 786 and the 618. Not a bad look. So as long as you're over the 236, 64 is the price to beat. And that'll send you up to 88.382 macro to be bullish. Heavy resistance at the 0.5 right now at about 140. The steep uptrend, of course, which is not perfect, but and then farm to the 786 retracement at 421. Over a 7.5x to that market cap there. Let me see here. Do any of you guys actually use like farm and these other ones to do yield farming for the APY? Do you guys actually make money on that stuff? I imagine you got to be rich to do that. Farm is only at a $35 million market cap. Oh, they got a low supply. Low supply, it's all in. Going to the moon. But a 35 million market cap with the supply in. It's got room to run, but depends on if people are going to buy this thing. So I would say that's a good conservative target there. And then if you're going to hit a new high on this one, a 1.8 billion market cap is a 50x up to 2,700 bucks. That would be your moonshot. Maybe farm makes a lower high. Maybe it hits 900 bucks and you get a 16 or 17x. But with farm being an older coin too, maybe this lines up perfectly with the 5 to 10x. Almost an 8x on this thing. And then more conservative target would be a 4x to 200, 220 there. What's up, Maddie? Yeah, we looked at virtuals earlier. Your name is alive, Mike, John. Dennis says I'd love to request SUKU and Aurora. Both similar patterns right now. I'm more curious about the list you mentioned. Yeah, we're going to get into the list before we get off of this live stream today. Dave. No, not Dave. Come on now, Dave. Not John. I have a brother named John, but I'm not John. Mike. Ain't no Mike up in here. He'll wait for the pullback, he says, on virtuals. Yeah, I think it was Alex earlier said he got out. Which I don't even know where the chart went now. It's not here. No, not Chris either. Damn, you guys are coming up with the plainest names ever. April says Billy. You want to look at Billy? Or you want the name Billy? Alright, we got to stop this because now I don't know what you guys are talking about. But yeah, the ones I went over earlier. Let me see here. Let me pull up my little list. But I wrote them all down. I was just going through the ones that are still... Damn, there's a whole bunch on here. But potential plays for a move up because they haven't moved unless they moved from this morning. What's the first one I got here? Some of these I didn't know what they were. Some are in bullish patterns, but... What is RBN? RBN was one. Oh yeah, Ribbon Finance. So I don't have charts built on these, and if we build charts on 30 different coins right now, this is going to take all night. But just pointing out that the setup here, it's in the same pattern that we've seen everything move on, everything. And as I was going through the list, there were coins on here, just random coins that we've never discussed on the channel before. They had the same pattern and now they're moving up, you know, pretty good moves up. So if I had the money to get in on these on this list, I would sell as soon as these things pumped up to resistance and just keep rolling over, go through the whole list until I made my money. But Ribbon Finance, low to the high, it's over the 618 and it's getting stuck right at the 382. Same exact setup here. So there's a good chance this thing's going to pump up soon. How high I do not know, but if once it wakes up, first resistance level is a 60% move. And then one we covered before Some of these are going to be ones you guys know, of course. Viot. Viot just kind of woke up here, so we may be too late on this one. But it's still down below the 0.5, but it still hasn't had that initial little move up like we've seen everything do. So this one could move up 150% almost. But yeah, Viot, same thing here. And it's already starting to move, so we're kind of missing it already, but still it could have a decent little run. I just went and looked through because we've been covering all these coins we cover all the time in the same setup, and now they're all starting to move. Ultra, whatever this Ultra is, no idea what this is, but you can clearly see the one we just looked at. This one looks exactly the same. Has the same formation. Some of them even dip down and then they just went. So that's why this one here is also a good one. So do your own research, of course. I have no idea what this is. UOS. Still down in the dirt here. Right at the 236. So this is like the perfect setup. Once you get over 10.4, bottom is in, bullish over 13.6, and you know that move up is going to occur. So is RBN on the list? Yeah. RBN, VAI, and Ultra so far. Still got a whole bunch more to go. But yeah, I mean, if these are anything at all, like I said, I went through the list and there's some things that just, you know, I've never even heard of that I have on the list, or haven't been discussed in years, and they had the same exact pattern as this, and now they're all spiked up. So I found the ones that aren't spiked up yet, which there's probably tons more. But yeah, Viot is one of them. Farm to 100 to 500. What's up, Philip? GSD is popping about every 24 hours. Yeah, they're all going up. Nope, not Travis. Check out Taraxa, if I said that right. What is that? We got Nicole for $5 super sticker. I appreciate that. Welcome back, Nicole. ABT says April. Yeah, ABT's moving. It's over 30. Or not ABT, that's PNG. Yeah, I covered ABT on yesterday, I believe it was. But that's just 3 off the list so far. But Arc Block. Yeah, Arc Block's not looking bad. It's trying to hold the resistance, now turn support 181. Nice little move out of here. It finally woke up. So just watch 181 here. As long as it holds, it looks good. But also this one, same exact setup here. But I was trying to find ones that are down at the bottom that have not moved in the market that we're in yet. Yeah, I don't remember the last time we looked at this one. Yeah, see, this one already went. I don't know what the hell's going on here. Yeah, not in a bad spot. Sitting right over the 382 on this one. She's officially macro bullish. Over 006, 84 is the price to beat. Breakout over 1 penny. Yeah, not a bad looking chart. Double bottom. Five and a half X up to 4. New high. No idea what this one is. MIR protocol looking okay. What is that one? Safe Haven. What's up, Joseph? Shat. He spelled shat. What the hell? Oh yeah, we don't have that one. On Bitmart. Nah. I would say no. I don't know what this is, but it looks like crap. It has the formation down here, sort of. What is this? Too many wicks on the chart for me. It's a hard pass. Stuck right at the 236 for all of these weekly candles, almost perfectly. Not one candle above. 3.2's the price to beat. But yeah, once you break over that and you confirm the bottom is in, this thing could pump also. Oh, 786 retracement's a 12x. Could be a good play. It's like block dag, like Caspa, but it already has smart contracts EVM compatible. Okay. Thought Caspa was a lone wolf. What did you say? Mir protocol. No, we don't have a chart for it. Mirror protocol? Yeah, that's got to be it. I hate when they have a wick like that. Let's see if they all do. Alright, this is a way better chart. Mirror protocol. Yeah, it got stuck at the 382, came all the way back down almost to the bottom. It's holding a trend, double bottom. It's moving up. Once it gets over 5.4, the bottom is confirmed in. It's right on the 382 right now at 3.2, so it is bullish short term right now. So once it gets over the 236, this bottom is confirmed in, and this move down is confirmed over. Let me see here. And what time is it? Mirror protocol. 5 million market cap. 42% of the coins out. Oh, wow. What the hell is this? What is Mirror Protocol? Jeez. Is Mirror Protocol going to do something? This thing's got some good multipliers. So Mirror Protocol to a 0.5 retracement at 37. It's an 11x from where you are right now. All right, so I like the 618 in a bull market. If people are going to buy this thing, there's no reason it shouldn't hit a 618 retracement. It doesn't have to, but 87 for a 26x. 87, 88 cents on this thing. Damn, I got too many buttons open. Too many pages open. So from a 5 million market cap to 137 million market cap, it's going to get you a 26x. That's not bad. Is anyone going to buy this thing? It clearly put the bottom in. Jeez, and then a 786 retracement, not even near the new high or the previous high. It's almost a 90x to pretty much $3. All right, back over to the chat. It's a DeFi play. It's a good investment. Yeah, it's got some good potential moves there. That surprised me. It was part of the Luna ecosystem. All right. Can we do ORTs? What's up, Crypto Shock? No, we did a lot already, but we're still looking. At least a 10 to 20x potential. So no 786 retracement? Come on. Yeah, 618 retracement here, 26x. I think that's very possible. As long as they're not going to dump a bunch of coins out this next year. Yeah, this could be a real good play. It's been going down since 2021. Bull market's here. Hell, even if it does just a 0.5 retracement, still getting over a 10x. Not a bad one. It's like Jasmine, okay. What's up, Louis? And welcome back. Any requests, SUKU? No, no one's requested SUKU. If I pay to have a look. Nah, we'll look at it. How's your old lady doing? Your crazy lady. How's your coins doing? SUKU doing something? Yeah, SUKU's in the same spot. It ain't doing anything. Same thing it was doing yesterday. But But yeah, SUKU high to the low. It's over the 236 still, the double 236. So the macro and short-term bottom are in. Has to get back over 9.6 to be bullish, and it got stuck right at the 0.5 at 11.9. But yeah, SUKU's just one that woke up from the formation. It pumped, had a nice little pump, and it's just sitting here now. At some point, these things will start moving up again, but they had that initial move, and we'll see what happens here. Yeah, Jasmine Mirror Protocol. Yeah, I'm trying to accumulate some Jasmine. I just need 50 to 100,000 Jasmine, and I'm gonna sell it at $1. Pluto says just got into Falcon X. Ort's probably still in the same spot. No, Ort went to the moon. Yeah, she moved up over our line. She blew through the 236. She's bullish right now. There's no wick here, so the 382 is coming into play at 216 here. That's going to be your resistance level to watch. As long as you're over 14, 21, 21 and a half. But a decent little... Don't forget to take profit. Not financial advice. But yeah, or it doesn't look bad at all. Just made a higher high. It's curled up on the bottom. Other than that, there's really nothing I can do. There's no wick up here. It's just bullish right now. It's up 128% on the week. This is what I'm talking about. If I were to get these moves, I'm going to get out and I'm going to go to something else that hasn't ran yet. And there's so many options. Falcon. I don't remember the ticker for that one. I know we have a chart for it though. MEXC, Falcon X. You just got into this one? Doesn't look the greatest. Why'd you get into this one? Falcon X. It's gone down a bunch since the last time we looked at it. Let's see if it's on the final support level. Yeah, it's below the 618. It was holding. Now it broke it. It's resistance perfectly. So that puts in play 3-4. So from what I see here, it just made a lower high, or a lower low rather. This thing's going to drop about 14%. And then finally hit that final support and then maybe bounce back up. But right now it's making lower highs and lower lows. So it doesn't look good at all here in my opinion. Needs to get back over 4.4 to confirm bottom and 5.9 to be bullish. Stormtrooper says Nacho KRC20 going to Rocket. Yeah, it probably will. What do we even look at those coins at? Pika Boss. What is Pika Boss? With meme coins now. Yeah, I hope you're right. Even though we're moving up, I hope we come back. Miss Slasher says my friend said Jasmine 5-year chart shows some sort of scam. Why do you think it will move? There's no scam on Jasmine. The 5-year chart. I wouldn't even know how to look at that. So he zoomed all the way out and called it a rug pull? Is that what happened? That's too far out to go. Damn, I'm screwing our chart up. I'm just interested. I didn't know you could go out to 5 years. Yeah, I don't understand what that means. That's the 1-year chart. Yeah, the people that call Jasmine a scam, they have no idea what they're talking about. It's all rubbish. Yeah, I've looked into all the Jasmine scams, all the stuff that people called, that were, what was it? Damn, I can't even remember now, but I looked through all of it. It's all just, it's nonsense. He's not a scam. Where's the scam? I guess you could call everything a scam. What's up, only one? How's it going? All right, so wait, hold on. Y'all were asking for Dex Creator coins, weren't you? Let me see. Someone said something, I don't remember now. Pika Boss and Nacho. I don't even know how to find those. Pika Boss. We're lagging. Come on. Yeah, there's no such thing as Pika Boss. Caspa moved half a penny, so you're good. That's good. Yeah, but after all this time, all these years, people are still calling Jasmine a scam. Let's see here. Oh, Nacho. Alright, so Pika Boss does not exist. I don't know if I have to look on some other website, which I'm not going to do. Nacho. I don't even know how to look at KRC 20 coins. Let's see here. Yeah, I was going to do an update on Peak. I think Peak's on crypto.com. I keep seeing it. I think we started a chart on it. I don't remember. Peak. Yeah. It's a 4-hour chart. Yeah. Yeah, Peak here doesn't look bad at all. The whole chart is curling up, higher highs, steep uptrend, higher lows. Looks good here. What is this? Is it an AI coin? But yeah, it's one of the ones I wanted to get a chart built up for so we didn't have to do it on stream. Peak is at 132 million market cap. Only 9% of the coins out. It is new. So what's their unlock schedule? Yeah, I don't know what the deal is with the coins on this one, so it's hard to say how high it can go. I don't know when they're going to plan on dumping. But yeah, it doesn't look bad here. Once it gets over 3.7, you're officially moving to the upside. For this thing to do a decent 10x, 11x. What is this? $4 for a 10x. All right, that's not impossible. A $1.5 billion market cap from 100 million in a bull market. But yeah, you can't go wrong with a new coin in a bull market. They usually perform very well. We got Dizzle Knob for 2 again. I appreciate that. Is Fox still in the play? Fox. Yeah, we still like Fox. Fox Trucking Company to the moon. Let's see what she's doing. Yeah, it's Fox. Yeah, Fox is the one that's gearing up to go again. It's over the 236. It broke the downtrend, strong move up. It's consolidating in the pattern here. Triangle, pennant, whatever you want to call this, it's in consolidation in that bullish continuation pattern. So we're probably going to get a nice move up on Fox soon to the resistance. You have the 382, of course, that's a 40% move, but we have the 0.5 and the trend line here at 14 for 130% move. Yeah, Fox is in a good spot here. She's about to start moving. And Fox got some good returns. 786 retracement, 286 million market cap, 8x, 8.5x to 46, 47. Well, she moved up a little. But yeah, it's in a good spot right now where it is. 7.5x. And then a moonshot to 2 billion market cap is about a 57x to 350. So I don't know if that's going to happen. Yeah, we've been seeing this a lot lately, the continuation patterns, and they seem to be working out because we're bullish right now. Yeah, I think definitely Fox is going to hit this to a good 7.5x. And if it goes higher, so be it. AI's looking juicy. Yeah, Degen's about to take off. Maddie deep in play. Pepe coming back. Deep in play. But yeah, we looked at Degen earlier. Degen's, we called it. We called it again. Degen's about to go again. From the last time it went from the bull flag pattern, if it ever loads, had that nice pump up exactly where we wanted it to. And now it pumped up to the 786, got stuck, and now it's in a falling wedge pattern, so she's about to pump again. As long as you're over 17.8, Degen's in a real good spot here. Pile in while you can, she's about to go. Yeah, it doesn't look bad at all. We got Crypto Shock for 10. I appreciate that. Hey, Undead. Hope you had a good holiday. What? Hold on. What do the chart gods say about Stater? Thanks for your marathon lives. I appreciate the words. I appreciate the 10. Yeah, just trying to keep this thing grinding away and keep it going. I appreciate that a lot. Let's see what the gods say about Stater. SD. Oh yeah, SD's another one that's in a good spot. Unless something happens to the market and we just all crash. Damn it, that's the wrong tool. I don't see why these things wouldn't start moving up. So low to the high, right below the 236, right above the 382 at 82. Once you break over, it looks like 104. And then, of course, 112. Once you get over 112, that's going to signal the breakout to the upside here. But yeah, SD's in a real good spot here. Strong move up, continuation, consolidation, and it's at some point it's going to run again. I'd be more bullish on it if it was sitting over the 382 here. But, you know, we could move this. But yeah, not a bad setup for SD. Dang it. And then SD. Ooh, a 6x to a 250 million market cap, 786 retracement to 612 is a real good target. And then a new high on this one is a 47x to a $2.3 billion market cap. New high 1272 at 47. Yeah, let me move that so people can see. But now I got to look. I don't remember what the SD market cap and supply is. Stater. Can it hit a 2 billion market cap? 53 million. Yeah, if they don't release any coins, then, you know, it's possible. But yeah, I appreciate the 10. But I'm gonna have to get a drink again. But I would say definitely good for a 6x, solid 6x on SD. And it's in a bullish pattern right now and it's about to pop. So once you get through 112, 80% move up to 184. We got Mahi. How's it going for 5? Says Rad and ELA, please. I appreciate the 5. Rad and ELA. Rad. I think I looked at Rad earlier. We only got 3 coins into my 30 coin list of things that are on the bottom and they're about to move. I don't know if we're gonna get time now. Yeah, I think I did look at this one earlier. I don't know if I added it to the list or not, but yeah, this one's curling up here. Once you get over 2, the bottom is officially in. Short-term bottom is already in. High to the low, you're bullish over 147. So this thing looks good here. But not the best looking as we've seen, but you can see it did have a huge pump here and pulled back. And then it's back up again. So generally the same setup here. So it's probably going to have a nice run up very soon. It doesn't have to because I'm not 100% on the chart here as some of the others. But it doesn't look bad for the bottom being put in. And the fact that you're curled up like this just tells you this thing's about to start moving. Where'd it go? And yeah, once you get over the 236, the bottom is in and this move is over. 382, you're bullish over 338. So if this thing copies what the rest of the market is doing, you may have a nice move up soon before it cools off 120%. And then where's this one going? 4 billion market cap on Rad, 82, new high 1272 at 53x on this one. And now I gotta go look at Rad. Rad. $77 million market cap. Over half the supply is out. That's good. So 77 million to 4 billion. That's kind of a large move. So that would be your moonshot. There's no guarantee that's going to happen. This is your more likely top realistic price. 14, maybe 15 bucks. $720 million market cap and a 9x. And then of course these things could always come up to a lower high or a higher high. So maybe it comes up around 30 bucks and does an 18x or a little higher for a 20x. Yeah, Rad's been out for a while. That's one of the reasons I like this here a lot better. But that's still a large move, 720 million from where it is now. Not too bad. It's not too bad. I like that price there. And then ELA. What is ELA? Oh, Elastos. Getting stuck right at the 0.5 on Elastos. So it needs to get over 247. But same thing, same exact chart, it's curling up here. Over the 236, so the bottom is in over 222, bullish over 370. If you can get over the 0.5 here. But it's just another one that's curling up. It broke the structure, broke the downtrend. Dang it. And then how high can this one go? 327 million market cap for a 6x to 1460. 1460. Yeah, this one's an older one too, ain't it? 54 million market cap. Yeah, 87% of the coins are out. So that's always good to see. So yeah, this one may be good for a 6x. If you want to go higher than that in a bull market, maybe get a 13x, 714 million market cap to 32. But I like the $14, $15, and then $20 and 8x. But like I've said many times, there's no guarantee these coins are going to do that. Older coins, there's just no way to tell. But I appreciate the 5. ELA is an A1 project. ABT is about to blow up with Index and ELA. Let's see here. Index, yeah, we've looked at Index a couple times, I believe. Index. Yeah, you guys know more about these projects than I do, because I just look at charts. Just trying to curl up here. It's over the 618. So once it gets over 4, we'll say $5. She's good to go. This one goes to $1 billion market cap, $150 for 43x. Is that a Coinbase coin? We got Miss Slasher for 5. I appreciate that. Excuse my ignorance. I'm a Gen X trying to learn and make what I can. If DGen is good, I assume Arrow is as well. Why? Because they're all on base? Yeah, the base coins are going to do good this cycle. But they don't have the same charts. Arrow is good, though. Arrow is looking bullish on the chart. Arrow looks like it wants to go vertical soon. DGen's good. It's about to spike up. I appreciate the 5, though. Alright, it is on Coinbase with ABT and ELA. Alright. Yeah, I think the Coinbase coins are going to perform well, too. Low market caps on Coinbase. We just need to get the world to pile into these things. But not yet, not until I get in. But yeah, all the base coins are going to do well. Arrow's going to do well. Arrow did well in the past. It just had to come down for a while. But yeah, Arrow's making higher highs and higher lows. It's getting coiled up here. This chart here to me on Arrow looks like it's about to pop off. And then DGen looks good. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Listen to Yosef do a deep dive research. Even though we look at charts here and we're just like, hey, it looks bullish, let's get in. But I'm talking about short-term trades. Just get in, get that initial pump, and then get out. Just bought more Arrow today, says Bob. Charts look like it's gonna pump coming. Yeah. Yep, it's curling up there. AMP, what is AMP doing? AMP to 0. Oh, AMP got stuck at the 382. AMP, another older coin. All we got to do is measure out the 3x, and that's where she's going. Yeah, there's no way. AMP to a 58x 33 billion market cap. Is that possible? Or more like a 6.5x to a 2 billion market cap to 4.5, 5 pennies. But yeah, it's like we covered before. I mean, we're not even at that stage yet to where everything's going parabolic. So is this thing going to hang out here for a while, and then when we go parabolic, it's going to do that? That's the parabolic move, and then it goes back to the bear market. Is that all AMP's going to do? I don't know if anyone's bullish on AMP, but I remember AMP from last cycle. We're 2 hours in, 40 people in here. How's it going? If I didn't say hi, I missed you. Appreciate you guys coming in here. Let's see here. Make sure I covered the super chats. We got 12 super chats already. Going for the record again. We got to get 21, and we need 100 viewers. Never going to get 100 viewers in here. But yeah, we've switched. We used to look at a lot of deck screener coins, meme coins, gamble coins, and lately we've been just looking at all these other projects. So we went over RBN, VAI, Ultra. These are all the ones that I think are going to move soon. And hopefully not financial advice, but it helps someone out. Yeah, this one's not the best looking chart, but you can see the formation here. Just made a higher high. Big old double bottom, higher low. This thing's about to start moving up. I have no idea what this is, so do your own research on it, of course. But I was just looking for the bottom formations on the bottom of the chart. But yeah, this one's curled up and about to start moving. It's over the 236. The bottom is in. It's time to go to the short-term moon. Yeah, it's over the short-term 382, getting stuck right at the 0.5 at 328. But just not to nitpick it, I'm just looking at this here, and then we move up. CPH is running up 23%, and XRP Paynet has finally started moving after a year. Yeah, someone let me know when XRP flips Solana. Crypto Shock, hit the like button, DGens. Yeah, ZBCN, I just made an update on that on the channel. The one I really like on the list I found today. There's so many on here. A lot of these I have no idea what they are, but the one that I really like is Beefy. Beefy Finance. This thing is down in the dirt. Look at this. Yeah, Beefy Finance is about to go. We're going to see Beefy Finance up a lot very soon. Let's see here. It still hasn't even had that little initial pump yet, but 25% move and then about an 80% move up. I don't think this one's on Coinbase though. But yeah, the formation perfectly down here. This looks really juicy here to me. This thing's about to start going up. Oh yeah. Let me see here. Yeah, beefy. Yeah, it's over the 382, so it's bullish over 314. It's just a very nice setup. It looks like it's about to start running. But yeah, another one. Oh yeah, I think Boson already took off. Boson Protocol was another one. Boson, let's see what Boson is doing. Not the best, but it's one of those ones that came down and then had that final dip, lower low, and then you see it still hasn't broke this high yet, but I've seen this a lot too. And then when they do that final dip down, that's all she wrote, and she's going to start moving up. But yeah, good final formation. This one's probably going to spike up 60% very soon. Yeah, this one too, high to the low. It's right over the 382. So she is officially bullish here to push higher. Yeah, if I had the money like I did back in January, I'd throw $1,000 on each of those, beefy and Boson. What's up, Landon? Yeah, we looked at SUKU. SUKU's just sitting over the 382. It's doing nothing. It spiked up, got stuck, and now it's just sitting there. And then there's Clover Finance sitting in a very good spot in a bullish pattern. And then, of course, one we've covered here before, Ghost. Ghost is putting in the bottom here. The curl up on the bottom, hit that final support level, and it's curling up. It's over the 236. Once you get over 124, it's off to the races. High to the low on this one. Let's see. It's over the 236, so the bottom is confirmed in. Yeah, 124 to 139. But yeah, it's just the formation down here. Low, high, final, bottom, curling up. Ghost is about to go. Let's see how much of a move this one's going to have. This one's going to go hit the trend, hit the 618, and Ghost is going to spike up 60%. We're just going to call it on everything. Everything's about to go. There's so many others. Not enough time to cover them all. High Street. Oh yeah, and Marinade. Marinade on Coinbase. It had a little spike above, but ultimately that flat top it's getting stuck at, the formation here, the curl up on the bottom, right below the 618. Marinade's another one that hasn't initially spiked yet, but it's about to go. Yeah, once it breaks over the 618 up to 1732, you're bullish and it's going to start moving. But yeah, another one. Got Dizzle Knob for 2 again. Seamless on base. Seamless on base. What is that? But yeah, SUKU is doing nothing at the moment. Is Seamless on here or on Deck Screener? It doesn't sound like a Deck Screener. Damn, I was wrong. Oh, maybe not. Oh, Seamless Protocol. For the win, we have a chart. Damn. We don't have a chart. Yeah, Seamless doesn't look bad either. Everything went black on us. I have to wait a minute. I don't know what's happening. Are we back? Are we still spinning? Hello, I think we're back. Let's see here. Make sure all systems are go so we can end the live stream. All right, so seamless on seamless protocol. $30x to 33. Yeah, hold on. Computer started shutting down, so it threw me off on everything. Everything's lagging now. Oh, come on. All right, seamless protocol, 32 million market cap, 30% of the supply out. Question is, can it reach $33? Low supply. So from a 32 million market cap, that would give you almost $1 billion market cap. So that's a pretty large move. Not impossible, but it's a large move. So it's 7.5x on seamless to 830. $242 million market cap. Yeah, I don't know what this one is or what it does. All right, we're back on. All right, good deal. What's up, Jerry? Litecoin to the moon. What's up, Sector? I appreciate the 2, though. I don't know what seamless is, but a reasonable target would be a 786 retracement, 836. When did this come out? 2023. And like I said, not the best looking chart. Could be putting the bottom in. Kind of remains to be seen, I guess. I would guess the bottom is in. Yeah, it needs to get over 115 to confirm. We got Samuel for 2. Polly, have a look. Polly, what is Polly? Polymath. Haven't looked at this in years. Is it Polygon or Polymath? It's not Polymath. This is Matic. Oh, come on. I don't have a Polymath. I forgot about this one. This is an older one too, ain't it? Yeah, from 2021. Get ready for your 3x, which it looks like it already did. Ooh, came right up to the 0.5, got stuck, made a lower high. And now she's falling off the table. So Polymath is sitting right on the 0.5 at 20. Hit the 618, 236. So that could be the bottom. But same thing pretty much. Bottom formation, dipped down and then went. I have no idea what Polymath is. I know it's an older one. Sort of an older one. Bullish over 25.8, 26 there. And this move down and over is over 48. How high can it go? So can this one do a 13x to 275? Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Did it get... Oh yeah, it did get delisted. Delisted off of what? It got delisted off of the trading view. Damn, that's bearish. Still should be the same chart though. Let's see here. Polymath to the US dollar. Oh, that's a shit chart. I didn't mean to cuss. Damn. Oh, so we're looking at this mess for no reason. He says Matic, sorry. Oh man. Yeah, Matic is a heavy hitter. If you're looking for a 2 to 3x, pile in. Where's Matic gonna go? I got a bunch of Matic NFTs that are worthless. Matic. Damn it. Matic for a 9.5x, $12.3 billion market cap to 550. It's over the 236 macro at 49.50 cents, so the bottom is technically in. Wrong tool once again. Yeah, I got stuck right at the 0.5 here. It's over the 382, so you are bullish over that 236, and the bottom is in. Need to get over 70 cents. But yeah, Matic looks like it's repeating history on a larger scale, as you can see here. Just the thing is, it's not going to have a run like this again. There's no way. So maybe up to there. So yeah, I think that's a good target, 12.3 billion. Would you agree? For a little 9.5x. Did Matic rebrand to Pole? I don't know. I heard something weird about that. Louise the Cool for 99. And then what is that? What is the A? What is a 99-cent A? How did you do a 99-cent super chat? I didn't know that was possible. Oh, okay. I thought the lowest you could do was 199. Ducky on ETH, he says, for Louise, the gambling man. Ducky. Ducky on ETH. I appreciate the 2. Yeah, this one here that we keep looking at. It's not looking too bad. The bottom is still holding down here. So it looks a lot better than your Janet. Yeah, it's just not doing anything yet. We even got this thing on log scale. But good gamble play, 3 million market cap, almost 5,000, 4,500 holders, 10x. If this one's going to make a new high. But it doesn't look bad. It needs to get over the 236, of course. At 17, let's pull this down to that high. And you could even say over 14.2, the bottom could be in. So we'll just kind of play with this next time we look at it. So either a 10x or a 6x. We'll see what it respects here. But as long as it doesn't go lower than this bottom that it put in here, like the other one did. But it double bottomed, got a nice bounce. What are we? Oh, these are 4-hour candles, so this is going to go by pretty fast. Yeah, you're sitting right on the 0.5. But as long as you don't drop below 6.8, you're good. It just made a higher high. So this could be the beginning of the curl up here. But yeah. Yeah, we looked at Janet, and Janet made that lower low. How long are you going to hold that thing for? I don't know what it's going to do. Farm $100 to $500. I don't remember what we said. But yeah, it's getting about that time. We're 2.5 hours in. We looked over a lot. Went over some of the list I had, but we'll go over more tomorrow. Farm. Oh yeah, FET's another one. Farm, I think, can do $400 and do almost 8x, 420. And then if it wants to go a little higher than that, honestly don't know what Farm's going to do. I like that target there, though. That seems a good, fair target. Is it going to hit a $1.8 billion market cap and do 2,700 to 50-something X? No. But you could do about 900 for a 17x. But yeah, if I had Farm, I would get out here. 420. And then 220 would be a good target also. Because you got to realize older coins like this, 4x, you can't ask for more than a 4x at 220. And then if it goes higher, 420 would get you that. Those are my two targets. That's what I would get out at. Yeah, if I could get into FET, I would. FET's curling up here. The overall chart looks extremely bullish here. The clear uptrend is holding almost perfectly. It just double bottomed with a higher low. It's pumping a little bit. Same exact pattern we've been watching. Yeah, FET looks like it's about to go. FET's about to go make a higher high. It's going to do a 4x very soon. That sucks. Yep, 4x, $7. It's about to do this. Or it could do that. It's not going to happen instantly. Hopefully not. I don't know. Yeah, that's what I see on FET. FET looks very bullish here. Very bullish overall chart. Very bullish bottom pattern, W pattern. Just everything looks good on the FET chart right now. She's about to 4x out of here. Not financial advice. Farm all-time high was 660. Yeah, like I said, I've said this many times. I have to get a better chart. This is the Binance chart. It has this large wick here. All the different charts have different highs, different lows. So it depends on what you're looking at. Someone said that to me before, that I shouldn't be charting if I don't have the right chart. Someone said the high was something else on something. It wasn't this one, but and just people don't understand. But yeah, I may make a new farm chart since you said that, because we are trying to build the better charts. We're trying to be accurate. We're trying to be right. We're trying to be good for the cycle. GFI finna pump soon. It's got to break the downtrend first. Wait, no, GFI is the bullish one. I always get GFI and Fox mixed up every time. But yeah, we're about to end the live stream here. Oh yeah, GFI has to break the downtrend. It has to get over 180, or it's not going anywhere. Could very well bounced off the 382. Only time will tell. But yeah, we've seen them where they break the downtrend and they spike up pretty good. But GFI hasn't moved yet, so it's going to move at some point. Yeah, ILV's an older one. Yeah, see the chart's crap on this one too. She's moving up though. Does anyone still know about ILV? I mean, it looks bullish as hell right now. It's over the 382 high to the low at 57. It looks like it's about to send up to the 236. They're about to send it to 80. Another 40% move. But maybe it's giving you the opportunity to get out if it pumps all the way up there. All right, but let's see here. Yeah, XRP couldn't quite make it. Oh well. All right, so we're going to end it there. I appreciate all you guys coming in here. Everyone hit the like button on your way out. 2.5 hours is not a bad stream. Make sure I covered everything. I appreciate the super chats, the supports. One of your vids said Fox will hit 20 cents and come back down. Fox hit 20 cents. Fox, the trucking company. Let's see what it's going to do. Oh, that's because of the trend line here. So if this, it depends on how hard this thing pumps out of this pattern. You do have these levels to watch, 8, 7, 14, but there's a real good chance, we've seen this before, it's either going to smack right into the trend or it's going to wick up to the 618 at 20, 23, and then it's going to get stuck at all this resistance here, and then it's just going to pull back at that point. Kind of like what Polyswarm did, if I remember correctly. But yeah, that's the general idea. There's just a lot of resistance overhead. But I appreciate you guys being here. I appreciate everyone in here and everything you guys do. There would be no channel here for one for you guys with the support and everything else. So have a good rest of your day, your night, your morning, whatever it is. God bless you all. With all that being said, none of this is financial advice. Thanks for watching. Good luck. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, everyone.